Hey, today I'm going to teach you how to make a nice quick meal. It takes 10 minutes to make, so you can do it after a busy day at work, or if you just don't feel like cooking, or you don't know how to cook much. It takes a few ingredients and tastes absolutely amazing. She can confirm this. It's a corn quesadilla, so let's go ahead and get to it. All right, we're going to start this out. We're going to have our pan on the stove heating up. And normally I'd put butter on here before I putting it in the skillet, but I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna use mayonnaise this time. I actually saw about this online and I figured I'd give it a try for the first time. Plus I love mayonnaise, so I'm probably not gonna hate this. But if you don't like mayonnaise, you can always use butter. You know, some people might be looking at me like, this is nuts, but make sure you cover it all over. And you put it mayonnaise side down into the skillet. You can hear it bubbling up already. I have it on about a medium lowish heat. And you let that start heating up. While it's heating up, you're gonna go ahead and I got Mexican blend cheese. You can just use whatever cheese you really want, but I'd recommend like Monterey Jack. Put a nice layer of that on there. Try to cover that as much as possible. Now what goes inside is depending on you, but you gotta have some cheese in a quesadilla, but if you wanna add some chicken or something, or steak, if you wanna make this a meaty one, mine's just gonna be vegetables because I'm making a corn quesadilla. I'm trying to spread it out so it melts on all edges here. I have to get a plate ready because this is going to be quick. I'm not giving any measurements on this video because it's going to be pretty much up to you how much you want to put on everything. But after you have this cheese on there, let it melt for a little bit. You want to go ahead and add, I just got some canned corn. You can use fresh corn or you can use frozen corn. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to sprinkle some of that. You want it. You know, you don't want to use too much, but you want to put it so it covers a good bit of it. So that way when you bite into it, you're getting some corn in there. You can go ahead and put some cilantro in there, cut up or just tear it up if you want. It's gonna give it a nice little extra flavor. If you want to add anything else to it, I know I got some peppers cut up here because I'm gonna put some peppers on like some of my family's quesadillas, but they're really hot, so I'm not gonna do it on everybody's. And after you put that on there, I also got some pepper jack cheese. So you can use some more Monterey Jack cheese, or you can use any kind of other cheese you want. But I'm gonna go ahead and pepper jack to get a little spice, and because I love myself some pepper jack cheese. Okay, pretty much cover everything you put in there. All right. Then go ahead and grab another quesadilla. I had this one already pre-made, but you're gonna put some more mayonnaise on this one. You're gonna put it on top with mayonnaise side up. Get yourself a nice spatula that you trust. Here's the pain in the butt part. You're gonna have to get under here. Hopefully not ruin your quesadilla. You wanna hurt and flip it without, good enough. I'll take it. I've done better, but let that one cook up. So I can pull it over a little bit without ruining the quesadilla. Yeah, good enough. Seems like one is a little bigger than the other one. But let me go ahead and zoom in on this a little bit. I don't know if it'll ruin the quality or not, but let's go ahead and zoom in. You see I have a nice crisp on the outside of this one. It's gonna have a nice flavor because of the mayonnaise. The inside you're gonna have a nice cilantro, give it a nice little herby taste along with the corn and the cheese. And so if you want to add anything else in there, go ahead and add meat in there. You can add different kinds of cheeses, different kinds of vegetables. If you want to throw some, if you want to make it a breakfast quesadilla and throw some eggs in there, go for it. Let's go ahead and zoom back out here. So let that cook. It doesn't take long, so maybe only a few minutes. You saw just from being on here and watching, it got nice and browned already. I might leave it a little bit longer on that side to make sure everything cooks up. Since I'm not using any meat, it's not a huge deal. I don't have to worry about, I don't have to worry about any kind of like meat's not being cooked all the way through or anything. Let it cook up. I'm gonna move some of this stuff out of the way so I can give you guys a shot of what it looks like after it's cooked and cut open. I don't know why this random quesadilla is over there. Bring this over. And I'll pan the camera over when it's time to cut this open. What a beautiful wedding, the bride made to the waiter. Just a little bit longer. You see, it only takes a few minutes, but everything's cooking. The cheese is cooking through there, getting a nice crustiness on the outside from the mayonnaise. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna pan this over here real quick. There's the quesadilla. Let me zoom in here a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up so you can see what it looks like. It's hot. Like a nice crust, I'm cutting right through it, no problem. Oh yeah, it's gonna be great. Oh, look at that cheese. Look at that. Ouch, ouch, ouch. There you go. Nice quesadilla. Really hot. But nice stringy cheese going on there. And there you go, ready to be eaten. It takes a few minutes. You could have this done shortly after coming home from work and good to go. Well, there you have it. Told you, nice quick recipe. Took only a few ingredients, took a matter of minutes. Did it all with one solid shoot, didn't have to worry about cutting up anything. Tastes amazing, nice stringy cheese, oh, so good. You can make it, like I said, soon you come home from work. If you're too tired, too busy, just hurry up and throw it together. Nice, yummy meal. And it's very filling. All right, if you liked what you saw, please put a comment down below and let me know you liked it. Make sure you hit that little thumbs up. While you're down there, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and a little bell doohickey so you know when I post more videos. All right, see you later.